Sa Pilipinas na corner ang dalawang puganteng Amerikano na nahaharap sa mga kaso. Ang isa sa kanila, dating sundalo. Nakatutok si John Consulta.
Puwersahang pinababa ng mga tauhan ng Immigration Fugitive Search Unit. Lucena Police, NBI Lucena, kasama ang U.S. Diplomatic Security Service Overseas Criminal Investigations, ang U.S. fugitive na si Adrian Dean Endings II. Ilang beses nang inoperate ang Amerikanong pugante, pero madalas daw ito nakakatakas hanggang sa tuluyan itong na-corner sa Lucena. Wanted si Endings na sa panggagahasa raw sa isang Amerikanong menor de edad.
He is aware that he is being sought after by especially the U.S. Marshal Service, which is why he went to the Philippines to hide. But fortunately, through the much-needed intelligence or information from our counterparts, we were able to track him.
Sa operasyong ito naman sa Marikina City, hindi na nakapalag ang dating U.S. Army Staff Sergeant at Ammunitions and Ordnance at Supply Specialist na si Richard Baker ng makorner na immigration sa kanyang bahay. Wanted ang dating sundalo sa mga kasong sodomy in first degree kung saan ang kanyang biktima ay edad 12 anyos at 2 taong gulang at kasong promoting a minor under 16 years in sex performance. Tumanggi na magbigay ng pahayag ang mga narestong dayuhan.
It is but proper that we have to immediately arrest them and as much as possible deport them because they pose imminent threat and danger to our children.
John Consulta, nakatutok 24 oras.